Anand. Thank you so much for all those details. All right, viewers, let's move on to some other stories coming our way. State-run gas distributor Mahanagar Gas Limited has increased the price of compressed natural gas or CNG by Rs 2 per kilogram across the Mumbai metropolitan region, effective immediately. With the latest revision, CNG will now cost 86 rupees per kilogram in Mumbai, in Thane, Navi Mumbai and adjoining areas. This is the second hike in less than a month, following a similar Rs 2 per kilogram increase announced on May 14th. The cumulative Rs 4 rise is expected to impact daily commuters, taxi operators and commercial vehicle users who rely heavily on CNG. Joining us live on the broadcast is my colleague Shweta Verma, who also has these various people who have been impacted because of the price rise. Shweta, over to you.
Well, absolutely. In fact, in 2 weeks, this is the second time where CNG prices, we have seen a raise from 84 rupees to 86 rupees, clear hike of Rs 2. But how it is going to impact the people, especially the auto rickshaw drivers and the vehicles which are run on CNG, we'll quickly have a word with them and understand. सर, अभी आज के जो ताज़ा दाम है सीएनजी के, वो दरअसल अब हम देख रहे हैं कि वो 86 रुपीस हो गए हैं। बजट पर कितना असर पड़ रहा है?
बजट ऊपर क्या फर्क तो पड़ेगा है ना
जी।
महंगा हो गया तो हम लोग का तो वही धंधा है
जी।
हमारा तो नुकसान ही है इसमें।
और हमने देखा 2 हफ्ते में 2 बार प्राइस आपके बढ़ चुके हैं, तो ऐसे में क्या लग रहा है, प्राइस और ऊपर जाने वाला है? कैसे आप लोगों का बजट मैनेज होगा?
अभी क्या मालूम क्या होएगा वो,
जी।
अपने को तो नहीं मालूम।
जी। Well, here people are again, few people are clueless. Thank you, sir. We have some more people to talk here. Sir, CNG के दाम बढ़ गए हैं। CNG पहले 84 रुपीस का था, अब 86 रुपीस का है। क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कितना असर पड़ रहा है इस पे बजट पर?
हमारे को प्रॉफिट ही नहीं हो रहा है। सीएनजी का भाव क्या है?
जी।
मीटर का भाव बढ़ा दिए।
मीटर का भाव नहीं बढ़ा है।
मीटर का भाव बढ़ना चाहिए ना।
जी।
मीटर का भाव बढ़ा नहीं तो प्रॉफिट भी कम हो जाती है।
Well, absolutely. We get multiple voices for NewsX viewers where we understand that the auto rickshaw drivers here are especially facing the issue that although the prices are increasing, but here the fare remains the same. However, to be noted that when we speak about these fares, remember the associations of auto and taxi drivers have already submitted a letter to the transport department requesting them to give a fare increase also. So clearly we see that how the budget of not only auto rickshaw drivers are getting impacted, but also for the people, those who commute on the daily basis with the help of these vehicles. But clearly we see that the CNG prices have risen by Rs 2 here in the state of Maharashtra, and especially in Mumbai, we see that the revision has come today, but just 2 days back, in fact, the revised rates were there in Pune and Nagpur as well, where it was touching 96 rupees. Here in Mumbai, while we speak, the CNG revised prices stands at Rs 86.
All right. Thank you so much, Shweta, for that ground update on this front. I'll request you to stay